In this video, we have Vivo Y29 5G smartphone, and if you want to hide your application, then this is the video for you. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then select security. Again scroll down and then select privacy and app encryption. Now firstly you have to set your privacy password to access your hidden application. You can set a 6-digit password, or you can select pin, pattern or custom alphanumeric password. Here I'm selecting pattern. Draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Answer 2 security questions. Click on next. Now if you want to add your email address, you can also do that, otherwise click on add later. Now select app hiding. Firstly enable view hidden application. Now it will show all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. Select the app you want to hide. For example, I'm hiding files from Google. Click on confirm. As you can see in my app drawer, you can't see files. But if you want to access your hidden application, then come to your home screen and then swipe up by using 2 fingers like this. Draw your privacy password, then it will show your hidden application. So that's how you can hide and access your hidden application in Vivo Y29 5G smartphone.